What is WCAG and why does it matter for PDFs? PDFs are everywhere. Government forms, school documents, financial statements, and more. But for people who rely on assistive technologies like screen readers or keyboard navigation, many PDFs are difficult or even impossible to use. Why? Because PDFs that aren't properly structured lack the behind-the-scenes digital tags that allow assistive technology to identify elements in the document. Without those tags, a document becomes a wall instead of a doorway. To address this, the World Wide Web Consortium, or W3C, created the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, known as WCAG. The W3C is an international organization that develops standards for how the Internet should function. Their goal is to ensure the web remains usable, reliable, and inclusive over time. WCAG is the set of guidelines they created to help make digital content, like websites and PDFs, accessible to people with disabilities who use assistive technologies such as screen readers, braille displays, or keyboard navigation. While WCAG was originally created for websites, it also applies to PDFs. If your PDFs are online or shared digitally, they need to meet WCAG standards to be truly accessible and legally compliant. WCAG is built on 4 principles. To be accessible, content must be perceivable. Can the user see or hear the content? Operable. Can they use it without a mouse? Understandable. Is it clear and consistent? Robust. Does it work with today's and tomorrow's technology? So what does that mean for your PDFs? It means you need to add structure that assistive technology can read. A WCAG-compliant PDF should include correct heading levels, alt text for all images, a logical reading order, properly tagged tables and lists, and descriptive form field labels. These elements help people using screen readers, braille displays, or just a keyboard navigate and understand the content just like anyone else. Accessible PDFs aren't just good practice, they're often required by law. WCAG is accepted as the global standard for accessibility by many countries around the world and is specifically referenced by Section 508 of the Rehabilitation Act, the Canadian Accessibility Act, and the European Accessibility Act, or EAA. WCAG is frequently applied as the standard for compliance by U.S. federal courts under the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA. Whether you're in government, education, healthcare, or the private sector, if you share PDFs, accessibility matters. Making PDFs accessible is easier than you think with the right tools. To view more PDF accessibility videos, subscribe to our channel. For more information on how Equidox can make PDF accessibility easy, visit our website at www.equidox.co.